A beautiful morning to all my dear students. Children, I once again welcome you all to the class. We are doing, children, nouns and its kinds, that is proper noun and common noun. So before we start the work in grammar book, so let us first revise what do you mean by common and proper nouns with few examples. Okay? So look at this picture, children. This is the picture of a boy. Okay, boy is common noun. But when I give a name to this boy, like Mohan, it is a special name, a unique name. So it is proper noun. Same way, this is a girl. Girl is common noun. It could be any girl in the world. But if I give a special name to this girl, like Seema, so Seema is proper noun. Okay, it's a special name. Okay, let us see the next example. This is the picture of a mountain. Here the name of the mountain is not written, so it is common noun. But when I give a name to the mountain, like Himalayas, you see how beautiful it looks. Himalayas, it is proper noun. Okay, when the name of the mountain is written, it is proper. Next, this is a dog. Names of birds and animals, they come under common noun. But children, if you give a special name to this dog like Bruno, then it becomes proper noun. Followed, children? So let us now start the work in the English grammar book. Okay? This is chapter number 6, common nouns. We started common nouns in the last class. I told you common nouns are nouns that give general names to people, places, animals or things. The general names, the common names. Okay, they don't have any unique or special name. Like suppose village. You can see here in this short story, village, sun, cow, money, man. These are not the special names. So they come under common nouns. Based on that, children, you have an exercise here. Look at the exercise, children. Here you have to identify common and proper nouns from the help box and write it below. And children, one thing you keep in mind, here wherever you see proper noun is written, it's written in small. But when you write it in the blank, you have to write in capital letter. As the rule says, proper noun should always start with capital letter. So the first word is doctor. What is doctor, children? What is doctor? Doctor's name is written? No. When the name of the doctor is not written, you will write it in common nouns. Okay? Next we have Miss Chauhan, Subhash Bose. Both are special names. So you write in proper nouns. Okay? And remember, first letter will be capital. Next we have friend, niece. Both of them common noun. Because the name of the friend is not written and niece also the name is not written. Next we have Himalayas. Just now I have explained you. Himalayas is the name of mountains. So you will write in proper nouns. Next word is mountain. Now here the name of the mountain is not written. So write in common nouns. Sun, common noun. Mr. Lal, this is the special name. So you write in proper nouns. And remember to keep it capital. Next we have father, common noun. Sanjeev and Mohini, these are the unique names, the special names of persons. So both are proper nouns. Followed, children? Now we have the next exercise here where you have to underline the common nouns in the sentences given below. Okay, so let us see what is given in this. Now here you have to underline the common nouns, children, in the sentences given. The first one, 3 friends went to a hotel to book a room. Now here friends, hotel and room, all the 3 are common nouns. No special name you can see. Okay. Number 2, farmers keep goats, sheep and cows on farms. So farmers, it is common noun. Goats, sheep and cows, farms, all 4 are also common nouns. Okay. 3 number, Mohan's house has 5 rooms. So house and rooms both are common noun. Next we have kitchen, living room, bedroom, study room, playroom. So you will write all these in common noun. 4 number, you can find storybooks in a library. So storybooks and library both are common nouns. Okay. Next 5 number is glowworms shine at night. So glowworms and night you will underline, okay, as common noun. 6 number, the traveler stopped at a lake and washed his hands and face. So traveler, lake, hands, face, all 4 are common noun. 7 number, please put these mangoes in the basket. So mangoes and basket both are common noun. Likewise you have to do, children. I have already done 8, 9, 10. You do it in the book. Let us come to the next question, that is question number C. Now children, in question number C, you have to unscramble the letters in red to form meaningful words to complete the sentences in the given paragraph. You can see, children, there is a paragraph given and in the brackets we have some unscrambled letters. We have to rearrange them to form a meaningful word and then you have to write it in the blank. The first one is already done, but let us read the paragraph. One day, Penny went to the market to buy toys. She went to a toy. Now here in the bracket it is written POSH. When you rearrange these letters, it becomes shop. She went to a toy shop. Next, Penny bought a dash. What is it? Are you able to do, children? Yes, it is doll, DOLL, doll. Penny bought a doll and a bat, 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 and a ball for her brother. She came home running and showed the toys, 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 to her mother. Her mother hugged her and gave her an ice cream. When her brother came home, she showed him the bat and ball. Her brother thanked her and went out to play with his friend. It is FRIEND, friend. She also ran after him to the garden to see him play. What is the spelling of garden? When you rearrange, it becomes GARDEN, garden. Now children, all these words, look at all these words: shop, doll, bat, toys, ice cream, ball, brother, friend, garden. All these are common nouns, okay? When nowhere you can see any unique or special name. So all these come under common noun. So this way you have to do. And the next question, this is a homework for you, children. Okay, here you have to write 5 common nouns that you see. Where? The first one is in your classroom. Next is 5 common nouns that you see in the kitchen, in your neighborhood, from a moving car, whatever you notice on the road. Then next, at a hospital, what do you see? And in your bedroom, what are the 5 common nouns that you notice, children? Any 5 you can think and write. Okay, so do this as your homework. With this, children, we complete chapter number 6, common nouns. Okay, you all study nicely, and in the next class we are going to start from your Exploring English course book, the poem If I Met a Dragon. Okay, so study and have a good day. Thank you, children.